but it's sitting there rusting. You can't mow your lot. Your wife is mad, she can't have friends over. You got 3 old school buses
and a crumpled Range Rover.
I get it, when you got them, you had dreams, you weren't joking. Hi, I'm Chris.
My wife called me.
Those dreams are all broken.
She's got all new parts, tires and shoes. It's almost complete, lots to reuse.
You could sell it for money, nah, we remove. Not selling your shit parts, we stick and move. A fair death by boot, you junk my loot. Got a big trailer, but it's all a crapshoot. A Dunkin', a Cinnarroll, see you on the streets. I got treats for the pups, they are in the back seat. Hauling 2 at a time, down the main back roads. Window down like a king while new drama unfolds. Broken dreams removal, stripping and ripping.
I'm gonna need the tires back.
Bro, you trippin', that will never take a sticker, no way, that's inspectable. What it try and do, bro, run it on methanol. Arguing with hippies about a motorhome's fate, 8 years dead. My dudes, it's time to vacate. Price was bold, coffee's cold, seats were moldy, golden oldie. Broken dreams, ripped out seams, motor rustin', inside dusted. Yo, it's broken dreams, coming in hot, clearing the streets whether you like it or not. Someone's gotta be the bad guy, so here we are, rolling fresh on the scene, taking out your car. Death by boot, you junked my loot. Got a big trailer, but it's all a crapshoot. A Dunkin', a Cinnarroll, see you on the streets. I got treats for the pups, they are in the back seat. Death by boot, you junked my loot. Got a big trailer, but it's all a crapshoot. A Dunkin', a Cinnarroll, see you on the streets. I got treats for the pups, they are in the back seat.
Motorhomes don't grow roots, bro.
Sticker? Nah, your car's done, son.
What in the actual fuck?
Is that a body in the trunk? Jackie, I need an evac.
How am I going to explain that?
Jackie, I need an evac.
Quick update. Tire blows, takes out fender. Rusty fender. No. Ooh. Transmission number 3 for the RV Turbo 400. Why? How? How are you destroying these things? I don't know. Junk. Oh, hey bud, you want a stove for free? It works. It's good, yeah. Oh, but took all the parts off and it's a piece of junk. I ain't got time for your rotted mufflers. No time. But I still got time to shine them tires. The old rally jamboree is on the road again. Aw, hell. Woo. Old 255/60 burners. They'll turn. They'll go around. Brand new in the box. Wheel Vintiques. Oh yeah. We'll go around. I got plows coming out of my shorts, boys. Look at that. Minute Mount 2. Nothing wrong with it. Guy says, I don't want it. I don't. You take it. Ooh, what's over there? What's over there? Oh, GMC. Minute Mount 2. Don't worry about a thing. Got a couple of replacements. $100 for both. About an hour ride. Went up and got them. One got damaged in shipping. So I got the deal. I ain't caring about no damage. Brand new. Just been sitting outside. Maybe I just leave it rusty. Yeah, maybe. Probably not.